So tie set schedule or otherwise tie set matrix, so which is denoted with capital B. So here again to realize this tie set matrix, so I am taking example. So this is the network, simple network, and this is the oriented graph for this network. So in this network, nodes are the A, B, C, and this is same node D, and this is E node. And replacing all the elements with the line segments and giving numbers to the branches, so it is a graph. And for this graph, this becomes the tree. So this is a tree. So removing first branch and second branch, so we get a tree. So tree means, so there should be a path from one node to other node, any other node, and there should not be any closed path. So there should not be any loop. Then this is a tree. So here 1 and 2 forms a links. 1 and 2 are links, and 3, 4, 5, 6 are twigs. So tree branches, and 1, 2 are branches of a core tree. So if you add link 1, so if you add link 1, so there is a path for the current. So let I1 is the current flowing in this element, because for first branch, current in first branch is I am taking that as I1, and we have to take, so the direction of the current should be in the direction of the branch direction. So branch current should be in the direction of the branch. So here, so current in this branch is in this direction, so that's why I am taking I1 in that direction. So similarly, by after removing this link 1 and adding link 2, so remove this link 1 now, and now add link 2. So if we add link 2, so you get a circuit like this. Now there is a closed path here. So current is flowing in this direction. So as link number is 2, so I am taking current in this loop as I2, and the direction of the current should be in the direction of the current in the link 2. So current in the link 2 is in this direction, so that's why I am taking I2 direction as that. So now we have to frame tie set matrix. So how do we frame tie set matrix means? So here, by connecting this link 1, so what are the elements? So here tie set matrix, so order of the tie set matrix is number of links, number of rows equal to number of links, and number of columns equal to number of branches. So number of rows of a tie set matrix capital B is number of links, and number of columns equal to number of branches. So here in this example there are 2 links, so that's why I get 2 rows. So here we fill this tie set matrix row wise. So here by adding link 1, so there is a current in first branch, third branch, fifth branch, and sixth branch. So currents in that branches, so you have to take non-zero elements, and there is no current in fourth branch, and there is no current in the second branch. So there is no current in fourth branch, there is no current in second branch. So current in fourth branch and current in second branch is 0. So here 1, 3, 5, 6 are non-zero elements. 1, 3, 5, 6 are non-zero elements, and 2 and 4 are 0 elements. So again in this 1, 3, 5, 6, so if you see the direction of the current I1, you have to take this I1 as a reference. So current, all the currents are in the same direction. So I1. So that's why we have to take positive plus ones for all 1, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, we have to take plus ones. So this is how you have to fill the rows of a tie set matrix. So this time, so let us add link 2. So after removing link 1, now add link 2. So before adding link 2, you have to remove link 1. So after adding link 2, now again there is a path for the current. So closed path for the current. So let I2 is the current in this branch, and let I2 is the current flowing in this. So because we have to take the direction of I2 as the direction of the current in this second branch. So I2. So now there is a current in second branch, fifth branch and fourth branch. So second branch, fifth branch and fourth branch are non-zero elements and remaining 0. So 2, 4, 5 non-zero, 2, 4, 5 non-zero and remaining zeros. 1, 3, 6 are zeros. So here if you see I2 direction, so current in fourth branch is in the direction of the current, second branch by default in the direction of the current, and fifth branch, so I2 is current in fifth branch is opposite to I2. So current in fifth branch is opposite to I2. So that's why for fifth branch you have to take negative sign. So for fifth branch you have to take negative sign. So in this way we have to fill tie-set matrix. So tie-set matrix we are filling row wise. So here number of rows is number of links and number of columns is number of branches. So here use of this tie-set matrix is, so we can find branch currents as a function of link currents. So branch currents as a function of link currents. So there are 6 branches. Let J1, J2, J3, J4, J5 and J6 are the currents in the branches, and I1 and I2 are the link currents. So now, so we can write the relation J1 equal to 1 into I1 plus 0 into I2. J2 equal to 0 into I1 plus 1 into I2. J3 equal to 1 into I1 plus 0 into I2. J4 equal to 0 into I1 plus 1 into I2. J5 equal to 1 into I1 minus 1 into I2. J6 equal to 1 into I1 plus 0 into I2. So we can write all the branch currents as a function of link currents like this. So J1 equal to 1 into I1 plus 0 into I2 like this. So here the use of tie-set matrix is, so we can write branch currents as a function of link currents. So this is one advantage. And second advantage is, so if you write this as branch voltages, so we can write KVL equation. So if it is V1 into I1 like this. So V1 into I1 plus 0 into, so V1 into 1 into V1 plus 0 into V2 plus 1 into V3 plus 0 into V4 plus 1 into V5 plus 1 into V6 equal to 0. So that is the equation we get, V1 plus V3 plus V5 plus V6 equal to 0. So similarly for the second row, V2 plus V4 minus V5 is 0. So we get KVL equation with respect to rows. So final conclusion is of tie-set matrix, every column of tie-set matrix gives the branch current in terms of link current. So here every column of tie-set matrix, so column of tie-set matrix gives branch current in terms of link current, and every row gives KVL equation for its loop. So this is very important conclusion for tie-set matrix. Every column of tie-set matrix gives the branch current in terms of link current, and every row gives KVL equation of its loop. So that is about tie-set matrix.